can just rewrite your division problems so that you're multiplying by the reciprocal instead. Then when you multiply, you'll get the answer for the original division problem. As always, let's see a couple examples of how this works so you'll really understand. Let's try this problem. 3 over 4 divided by 2 over 7. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is rewrite our problem. Instead of dividing by 2 over 7, we can multiply by the reciprocal instead. The reciprocal of 2 over 7 is 7 over 2. So our problem becomes 3 over 4 times 7 over 2. Oh, I should mention a mistake that a lot of students make when they first learn to divide fractions.
Can you pause the video?
Reciprocal of the first.
Yes.
But he didn't do the first reciprocal.
I didn't do the first reciprocal.
Yeah, he didn't do the first, but he only did the second one.
How come? Wait.
See, here 3 by 4 is there. And even the down is also 3 by 4. Whereas this one is.
See, he woke
3
up.
over 4
As soon as he hears my voice, he wakes up.
Okay, continue the video.
Yeah.
7 over 2. Oh, I should mention a mistake that a lot of students make when they first learn to divide fractions. Sometimes students take the reciprocal of the first fraction, the one that's being divided, or even
First, what students do, they take the reciprocal of the first one and they start dividing.
reciprocal of both fractions, but you only want to take the reciprocal of the second fraction, the one you're dividing by.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it? You have to take reciprocal only of the one which is getting divided, not the first one.
Now I know arithmetic of division also, the
Multiplication,
fractions.
it's easy. Just multiply the tops. 3 times 7 equals 21. And multiply the bottoms. 4 times 2 equals 8.
8.
And we have the answer to our fraction division
by
problem.
8.
So 3 over 4 divided by 2 over 7 is 21 over 8. So that.
Oh my God. It's so.
What? Did you know this method?
Easy. But let's try one more example. Let's try 15 over 16 divided by 9 over 20.
Oh, Ajay Mishra. Being crazy.
2. Again, the first thing we want to do
That
is
teaches good things.
we'll change the
That
divided by
good thing. This person teaches extreme techniques.
Extreme techniques. These are not extreme techniques. He uses the easiest techniques.
Yeah,
9 over 22 into times 22 over 9. Now all we have to do is multiply. But since these numbers are kind of big, I'm going to use my calculator to help.
I'm going to use my calculator since they're big. Again, he has come to the difficult part anyhow.
Let's see here. So we have, all right. On the top, we have 15 times 22 equals 330.
What kind of calculator
and
is
on the
this?
bottom, we have 16 times 9 equals 144. So the answer to our division problem is 330 over 144.
But
Of course, that could be simplified for your
Simplified,
final
you
answer on the
see?
test, but we cover simplifying fractions in another video. All right, that's how you divide fractions. You just multiply by the reciprocal and you have your answer.
you just multiply by the reciprocal and you have your answer.